My name is Sue. I've been a tennis player all my life. I played in high school and college, and I've had arthritis in the past 10 years that eventually prevented me from playing tennis. And I had been seeing Dr. Alan Bittinger, who had been giving me injections, which helped. But at one point this year, I think it was in April, he told me that I was no longer going to benefit from the injections, that I needed to have a knee replacement. And he recommended Dr. Karachi. Dr. Karachi is very young. He's very smart. He went to University of Michigan, Harvard, and trained at Rush Presbyterian, so his resume is impeccable. He's so personable. When he talks to you, he has all the time in the world to answer your questions, and he sits down like he's there for the afternoon. He gave me his cell phone number when I was at the hospital. He is just a very kind person and obviously a very good doctor too. I would absolutely recommend him. The X10 is very user-friendly. It couldn't be any easier, and it's not like a regular workout equipment where you're doing the work. The X10 is basically doing all the work and you are just sitting there and enjoying your progress. And if you're a competitive person, you can increase your range of motion just very gradually, and you can always test yourself and say, oh, can I go one more degree? And it makes me feel great. I remember when I saw Dr. Karachi at the hospital, he said, well, you're not going to be too happy with me in a couple days. And I was fully expecting that it would be very painful, because from everyone I've talked to, total knee replacement involves some pain. And I never thought the pain was very bad at all. I was off my pain medication within a week, and my knee never really hurt that bad.